Hello. Okay, so this is the recording that I am uploading on YouTube for my personal reference on how I'm doing my analysis and how the things are working out in the markets. So let's start with the broad analysis of the market. So let's understand what is Nifty looking at and how we are looking to move into the Nifty price action. All right, so if you see the Nifty made a big move yesterday, about 1%. So if you look at the price action here, the broad direction that we are looking at is towards the upside with resistance, the previous resistance around 22,800 level, okay, which could act as a minor resistance for now. Right, there are very important things that we need to look at, that I look at following. First is what is the broad direction. All right, so it's very important, and to trade in that particular direction, because you need to trade in the direction of the trend. So this is very important. And the second thing is we need to take at cutting the losses very quickly, so that we can have a peaceful sleep at night, so that we don't have an over leveraged position, we don't have huge quantities, and we are ready to take the losses. So these 2 points are very critical when it comes to trading part of you. All right, so I'm going to discuss, and this video is for my reference, how I'm looking at Nifty and what is happening in terms of the price action for swing stocks. Also for swing trading, I'm looking at few stocks, which are the stocks that I'm looking at and what is that I'm looking at. Since the broad direction of the markets is towards the upside, I will be looking to look at the price in the particular direction, that is for long trades only. Now there could be a minor hiccup in Nifty around this particular 22,800 level. Okay, we will have to wait and watch how the prices react, how the auction works when the prices come to this level, and if the bullishness is expected to continue and the follow buying is expected to move on. All right, so we'll see, we'll wait and watch. Yesterday Nifty made a big move towards the upside. We saw from this particular level of 22,400 level, wherein there was a previous move, the market made a move higher. So let's wait and watch how the prices are expected to continue. So the broad direction as of now is towards the upside, and we are looking to trade. I'm looking to trade in that particular direction, that is trade in the direction that the market is showing, that the price action is showing. So right now I'm bullish on Nifty. Things might change drastically, but we never know. But as of now, we'll have to see the prices expecting to face resistance around 22,800. Okay, and then we'll wait and watch how the prices, if any patterns are formed. Okay, and then we will wait and see what the prices tell us. All right, so right now the direction is in that particular, that is towards the upside. Right, so Nifty looks pretty bullish for now. Now a few stocks which I'm looking at, okay, from a swing perspective, one is Deepak Fertilizers. Okay, this is the stock that I'm looking at in terms of Deepak Fertilizers. So whatever we're looking at here in Deepak Fertilizers is, okay, what is Deepak Fertilizers firstly telling us? Okay, what is the trend on Deepak Fertilizers? So if you look at Deepak Fertilizers trend, we are looking at this broad direction. The direction is towards the upside. That means there is a buying activity that is happening in Deepak Fertilizers. So we are looking to trade in that particular direction. So the price that is facing resistance around this level is 625 to 630 levels. This is the price that is facing resistance. So for now, if we are looking to trade in the direction, I'm not looking for any shorts in Deepak Fertilizers. Okay, and if we are looking to trade in this particular direction, we are looking to trade above this particular price zone. I'm looking to look at trading above this particular price zone if and only if the price crosses above the 630 and 635 mark, and it comfortably the buying continues, then I'm looking to go for a long trade. Okay, and we need to calculate the risk. What is the risk that you're looking at? So each individual has his own risk perspective, but you need to understand that the losses needs to be kept small and the rewards need to be kept bigger. And I personally don't look at keeping targets. Okay, this is for a swing purpose. So the swing will happen, the swing long will happen only if the price crosses above the 630 635 mark, and how the buying are we looking at? Is the buying going to sustain? And accordingly we are going to take the trade in that particular direction. We are not looking to take a short. All right, okay, so this is one stock that I'm looking at. The next stock that I'm looking at is Reddington India. Okay, so this is another stock that I'm looking at. So if you look at the Reddington India, okay, on the daily time frame, what I'm looking at on the daily time frame here, okay, the price is in a trading range. Okay, the price is in trading range, and if the range breakout happens, the bulls manage to push the prices higher above this particular range of 225 and okay 228 mark, okay, comfortably, and the bulls are expected to take this prices higher. The auction is expected to go higher on this particular level. So this is what I am looking at on Reddington India. Now all the stocks that I'm discussing today are looking towards the bull side. Okay, so we are looking for the price to go above this 225 228 mark, and how the buying happens around this particular level we are going to watch and monitor closely. But remember, very important, we are looking at trading in that particular direction. Okay, if the bullishness happens, if the buyers are stronger, then this particular stock has to break through this particular level. So the Reddington India is one stock. The next stock that I'm looking at is Network 18. Okay, this is the stock that I'm looking at, Network 18 Media. If you look at it, the price is okay in a trading range. Okay, the price is in a trading range that we are looking at here. If there is a breakout of this particular range above this 93 mark, okay, above this particular 93 mark here, 93.95 mark, if the price is pushed and the buyers are strong enough, all right, then we expect the momentum to continue in this particular direction. As I said, there are no targets for now. We are going to see, because these are not intraday trade, these are swing trading. If there is an opportunity to be taken, then the opportunity will be taken towards the long side here on this particular stock, that is Network 18 Media. So we are looking at okay a long trade on Network 18 Media only and only about this particular price action of 92 to 94 level. Okay, there has to be a breakout which has to be comfortable, and then we are looking to go long in this particular stock. Right, so the next stock that we are looking at is Kalyan Jewelers. Okay, so Kalyan Jewelers is another stock that we are looking at. Okay, and one more thing I want to mention is we don't know if the opportunity is expected to come and when that opportunity expected to come. So all we need to do is monitor this price action, place an alert on the price action that you're looking for the price to cross, and then only you can look at. Until then you don't have to look at the screen. So the price action that we're looking at above this 423 and 425 mark, if the price sustains, okay, the buying happens above this particular mark, then I'm expecting this price to move higher in this particular direction, the momentum to continue as you saw here that happened previously. So this is what you are looking at on Kalyan Jewelers. So this is the stock. So all the stocks that you are looking at, or we are looking at, has to have a stop loss in place. So calculate your risk, how much your risk you are expected to take this particular trade, and we have to ensure that we keep the losses small. Okay, the last stock that I am discussing here, and this is Sudarshan Chemicals that we are looking at. Sudarshan Chemicals stock. So this is the stock that I'm looking at. So we never know when the opportunity might arise in this particular stock, so we need to monitor. So if you see, there has been a big buying in Sudarshan Chemicals previously from this particular level, so the broad direction is towards the upside. So I prefer not going against the trend, because if I go against the trend, I'll be pushed back. That means the chances of making losses are higher. It does not mean that when you're in the markets you're not going to take the loss. You are going to take the losses, but we need to trade in the probability of the prices working in that particular directions are higher. So let's trade in the direction of the trend. So this is another stock that I'm looking at, Sudarshan Chemicals. So if this stock okay sustains, if the buying happens above the 730 mark, okay, and there is a big buying good buying opportunity that comes up here, then we are looking at Sudarshan Chemicals going long in this stock with a good risk in place, okay, the stop loss in place. So calculate your stop losses, calculate how much risk you're expected to make, but you have to be very shrewd about taking the losses in the markets, keeping the losses small and letting the market run. Okay, so these are the few stocks that I'm looking at in the markets for my own personal purposes. Okay, this is basically a directory for my own reviews that I'm constructing. Okay, and I'll keep updating the videos, and it's been a while that I'm have not uploaded, so I'm expected to continue this momentum going in the markets, uploading the video and sharing my knowledge with the market. So bottom line is Nifty looks bullish. Okay, the broad direction looks towards the upside. Okay, we'll have to wait and watch. Things might change anyways in the markets, we never know, so let's wait and watch. For now, the market looks towards the upside. All right, great. I hope this video is of help for me and for everybody out there who are looking to understand the markets. Thank you.